What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Polygon Matic. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are now and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news, with the really amazing fundamental news that might drive the price of this token even higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you several bearish signs from the technical standpoint that we have for now. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here somewhere at this point when we hit this range. It is a very strong support line that we had previously that I drew about 2 months ago. And I've told you that we shouldn't break this range, and I mark it as a green bar. And we didn't break it for the third time, and instead of this we had this movement to the upside that I predicted in my previous video. And from our entry point you might be up for about 13%, and to the highest point it was about 16.9%, almost 17% of upside potential. So, quite good movement, and I will continue my technical analysis in just several minutes. And for now, let me show you the total sentiment for the entire crypto market. As you can see, we are sitting at $2.01 trillion of total market cap. It is a 4.12% increase over the last day. And major cryptocurrencies are in green during the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is up for 2.55%, Ethereum is up for 3.88%, and BNB is up for 9.77%. But on a 7 days period, only Bitcoin reached its previous level and it's up for about 0.33%, but Ethereum and Binance are still in red. And that's why we have to be cautious, but the total sentiment for now is quite bullish. And let's continue with the Polygon numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $16.86 billion. It is higher than it has previously for 0.94%. And the total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is $1.9 billion. It is lower than it had previously for about 15%. So, it is what it is. So we are again in consolidation phase, short-term consolidation phase, but we have major news that might drive for the price of Polygon higher. And we are on cryptopotato.com, and this article was published on January the 12th, and it's titled Polygon Matic schedules long-awaited EIP 1559 upgrade for next week. And let me quote you this. In an official announcement on Wednesday, the India-based project noted that the upgrade, which will initiate the burning of Matic, is scheduled to go live on the mainnet on January 18th, 2022 at about 8 AM UTC. The EIP 1559 upgrade, commonly known as the London Hardfork, completely revolutionized how the fee market works on the Ethereum network. It eliminates first price auction, that is main mechanism for fee calculation, and introduces a discrete base fee that is burnt rather than paid to miners. While this change does not lower transaction fees, which are governed by the forces of demand and supply, it does allow users to estimate costs better and reduce the number of users overpaying. And the main upside potential for this upgrade is right here, deflationary effect on Matic. Since Matic has a fixed supply of 10 billion tokens, any reduction in the number of available coins will have a deflationary effect on the asset. The project's core team noted that its analysis concluded that an annual burn of Matic would represent 0.27% of the token's total supply, about 27 million Matic. And I have to say that the lower supply is, the higher the price of this asset. And this means, with this upgrade that will take place on January 18th, we will have a new opportunity for the Matic that will become more valuable over time. And this is a major news in my opinion for the Matic, and it might be a long-term catalyst for its price. And let's continue with this news. On their official Twitter page, they pinned this tweet on January 11th, and it says, Proud to present Plonky 2, the world's fastest ZK scaling technology built by Polygon Zero. Plonky 2 is a recursive snark that is 100x faster than existing alternatives and natively compatible with Ethereum. A thread on why this is exciting. And you can read this thread, but in my opinion it is another major update for the Polygon network that will increase its speed and that will increase its capabilities. So, and let me show you that on appwisdom.io, on the Cryptos tab folder, Polygon is on the 6th place right now and it lost about one row, but nevertheless it has increased in mentions and it has about 205 mentions for now. So I think this asset still has a room to grow, and that's why let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we have this movement to the upside, and from the very lowest point, from our support range to the very highest point, it surged for more than 26% during just a couple of days. And it is extremely good movement. But we have several downsides from the technical standpoint. First of all, we don't have much volume with this movement to the upside, and this shows that this movement might not have enough steam for its continuation. And the second bearish sign is right here. If I switch to 5-minute time frame and I'll try to dig deep into this movement to the upside, right here, if it is the first wave, this is the second, and we didn't reach the bottom of the first wave, so technically it might be right here. And if it is the third wave, then we have to have a retracement, and right after we hit a certain target, we will have another leg to the upside. But let me show you first negative sign. As you know, on a motive wave, we have to have 5-wave structure in it, and right here, we clearly have only 3 waves. And it is not the best sign. We also have 3 waves right here, and probably we have 5 waves right here, something like this. And this means, for those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, you know that this type of structure that has 3 or 5 waves in the first wave, strictly 3 waves in the second wave, and strictly 5 waves in the last wave, is nothing else but an ABC correction. And let me show you this. Potentially, the bearish case is following. This is our ABC correction. And this means we might see lower price targets and we might break even this previous bottom. And that's why we have to be cautious. On top of this, let me show you, let's switch to 30 minutes time frame. We hit this range, and it is the golden pocket range, and I pull this Fibonacci retracement tool from the top of the B wave to the bottom of the C wave right here, the latest swing high to swing low. And this is the most probable ratio when we might have a trend reversal. And let me show you in details that as soon as we hit it, we have huge bearish pressure. We had this massive sell-off, and with this massive volume. This means algorithms tries to push the price of Matic down. But on the other hand, despite of this huge volume, we didn't hit lower price targets, and it is quite bullish. So what should we expect next, and how we can eliminate this breakdown? In my opinion, if we will have some kind of retracement that won't hit the top of our A wave right here, the top of previous swing high, and from this point we will have next leg to the upside that exceed the top of our C wave, only in this case we will eliminate the ABC correction, and only in this case we will have much more bullish pressure and we will hit higher targets. So let me show you that if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, as you can see, we have several ranges, and most probable ranges that we might hit is 0.382. It is a price point of $2.24. Next one, 0.5. It is a $2.18, and we shouldn't go lower than this range, despite that the golden pocket is right here. Technically, we can go this low, but in this case, most likely we will see another leg to the downside, and I will do another update in order to make another forecast for the price. So what should you do if you want to catch the trade? In my opinion, from this range we might hit the levels of about $2.2 as I already mentioned, and if you are risky enough you can add your position with the assumption that we might hit the top of our B wave, and if we will exceed this range it will pretty much confirm the up movement and it will eliminate this ABC correction. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. We have to be extremely cautious, and for those of you who enter your position at this point, you can put your stop loss at the same range. In this case, you will be on the safe territory no matter what. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!